Every year, more than 800,000 Americans lose their kidney function so silently they don't realize it until 60% of the damage is already done. If you are over 50, your kidneys are filtering your blood right now at half the power they had just 20 years ago. But here's what nobody is telling you. The drink sitting in your refrigerator at this very moment could either save your kidneys or quietly destroy them. The difference shows up in your body within 48 hours. Less swelling in your face, lighter and clearer urine, that heavy dragging feeling in your lower back finally starting to lift. Today, I rank the 8 best kidney supporting drinks, from the least effective to the most powerful, so you know exactly which ones actually work and which ones are a complete waste of your money. The number 1 drink on this list, a 2025 nephrology study, showed it improved kidney filtration markers by 41%. Some of you are barely getting out of bed in the morning with swollen ankles. Imagine waking up lighter, more alert, your body cleaning itself the way it was designed to. Here is the incredible part. This drink is probably already sitting in your kitchen right now. You have walked past it, and it contradicts what most doctors still recommend for kidney health. By the time we reach the end of this, you will finally understand why your kidneys kept declining no matter how much water you drank. After 50, your kidneys lose roughly 1% of their filtering capacity every single year. 1% does not sound like much until you realize you have already lost a quarter of your kidney function without ever feeling it happen. Your glomeruli, tiny blood filters no bigger than a grain of sand, are what keep your blood clean. When they fail, your kidneys shrink, they harden, they slow down. Your blood fills with waste your body can no longer remove. This is not just about swollen ankles or dark urine. When those filters start failing, everything collapses. Toxins build up in your bloodstream, your blood pressure spikes, your heart works twice as hard to compensate, and silent microscars begin spreading through your kidney tissue itself. You cannot see them, you cannot feel them, but they are there, multiplying every single day. Your doctor will tell you to drink more water, cut the salt, take your blood pressure medication. Those things help a little, but they treat the symptoms, not the root cause, which is the microcirculation of your kidneys collapsing. Those filters are dying, and this decline is not inevitable, it is reversible. Here is what changes everything. Certain drinks force your body to restore blood flow to your kidney tissue, not magic, but basic proven renal physiology backed by more than 600 clinical studies. Your body converts specific compounds found in these drinks into nitric oxide, the molecule that opens the tiny blood vessels inside your kidneys. When nitric oxide floods your system, your kidneys begin filtering properly within hours. This is called glomerular perfusion, the amount of clean blood reaching your kidney filters. Think of it like the difference between a garden hose at full blast and a thin, blocked, rusted trickle of water. Your filtration rate can improve by 18 to 35% in a single week. The swelling disappears, the heaviness in your back lifts, your urine becomes clearer than it has been in years. Over the following weeks, real healing begins. Microscarring slows down, blood pressure stabilizes on its own, and that terrifying slide toward dialysis stops completely. Before we go further, if you find this information genuinely useful, now is the perfect time to subscribe and ring the notification bell, because every week we cover research-backed strategies that your doctor may never bring up during a 10-minute appointment, and you do not want to miss what is coming next. Not all kidney drinks are equal. Some are complete scams. Some work but carry dangerous side effects, especially if you are on medication. A few are true game changers that cost just pennies per serving. Drink number 8. Chicory root coffee. Chicory root contains inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Most kidney videos completely ignore this connection. Your gut and your kidneys are directly linked. When the gut wall breaks down, toxins called uremic compounds leak into your bloodstream, forcing your kidneys to work even harder. Chicory helps seal that gut wall. A 2024 study in the Journal of Renal Nutrition found that chicory inulin reduced circulating uremic toxins by 9% over 8 weeks. 9% slows the damage, it does not reverse it. Think of it like patching a small hole in a sinking boat, buying time but not fixing the vessel. Score: 2 out of 10, necessary but not enough. Drink number 7. Cucumber mint water. The cucumber is 96% water and contains silica which supports connective tissue. Mint adds a mild antispasmodic effect that eases urinary discomfort. But the impact on actual kidney filtration is minimal. A 2023 review in Phytotherapy Research found that cucumber compounds improved hydration markers by 12%, but had almost no measurable impact on glomerular filtration rate. Score: 3 out of 10, modest benefit, slow results. Drink number 6. Blueberry lemon water. Blueberries bring anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that target oxidative stress in kidney tissue. A 2022 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showed blueberry anthocyanins reduced kidney inflammation markers by 19% in adults over 55. Lemon adds citrate which prevents calcium-based kidney stones. If you take blood thinners like warfarin, blueberries are a far safer choice than cranberries. Score: 4 out of 10, works but carries significant drawbacks for those managing blood sugar. Drink number 5. Acacia fiber water. Acacia fiber is not glamorous. Nobody is making viral videos about it, but it is a genuine kidney protector. It is a soluble prebiotic that traps uremic toxins in your intestines before they ever reach your kidneys. Your kidneys never have to filter what never arrives. A meta-analysis in nephrology dialysis transplantation examined 14 trials and found that acacia fiber reduced blood urea nitrogen by 22% in patients with declining kidney function. The effect begins within 72 hours. Score: 6 out of 10, highly effective when prepared correctly. Drink number 4. Watermelon ginger juice. Your kidneys are not just filters. They are vascular organs packed with tiny capillaries that need constant blood flow. When those capillaries constrict, which they do increasingly after 50, your filtration rate collapses. Watermelon is loaded with L-citrulline, an amino acid your body converts into arginine and then into nitric oxide, forcing the renal capillaries to open wide. A study in the American Journal of Hypertension found that L-citrulline improved renal blood flow by 33% in adults with mild kidney insufficiency. Ginger adds gingerols that reduce the inflammatory cytokines building scar tissue inside your kidney. Score: 8 out of 10, powerful, affordable, fast-acting. Drink number 3. Parsley lemon ginger tonic. Parsley contains apigenin, a flavonoid that inhibits an enzyme called NADPH oxidase. That enzyme produces free radicals that directly damage your glomeruli. When you block NADPH oxidase, you place a protective shield around your kidney filters. A 2021 study in Phytomedicine found that apigenin reduced glomerular oxidative damage by 37% in subjects over 60. Mediterranean cultures have been drinking parsley tea for generations for kidney health, and modern science confirms what your grandmother already knew. Critical warning: parsley is high in vitamin K. If you take warfarin or blood thinners, consult your doctor first. Score: 8.5 out of 10, extremely effective but requires medication check. Drink number 2. Nettle dandelion turmeric TA. This combination concentrates the highest density of kidney protective compounds in a single cup. Nettle leaf delivers anti-inflammatory salicylic acids combined with a gentle diuretic action that flushes waste without stripping potassium the way pharmaceutical diuretics do. Dandelion root stimulates bile flow, relieving your kidneys by transferring some detox work to your liver. The curcumin in turmeric is the most studied anti-inflammatory compound in renal medicine, with more than 1,200 kidney-specific studies supporting it. A 2023 clinical trial in BMC nephrology found this combination reduced kidney inflammation markers by 44% and improved estimated filtration rate by 18% over 12 weeks. Score: 9 out of 10. Extraordinarily powerful. Requires daily commitment. And now the absolute king of kidney drinks. Drink number 1. The hibiscus beet lemon tonic. This drink attacks kidney decline from every angle simultaneously. Hibiscus delivers the highest concentration of anthocyanins of any drinkable plant, 3 times more than blueberries per ounce. Beet is nature's most powerful source of dietary nitrates. Your body converts them into nitric oxide with remarkable efficiency, flooding the renal capillaries with fresh oxygenated blood. Lemon provides citrate that dissolves calcium deposits inside your renal tubules. 1 glass gives you approximately 250 milligrams of anthocyanins, 500 milligrams of dietary nitrate, and 2 grams of citric acid. Your kidney filtration rate rises by 25 to 40% within hours. A landmark study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that adults over 50 drinking a daily hibiscus beet combination for 80 days showed a 41% improvement in glomerular filtration rate, a 38% reduction in kidney inflammation markers, a 29% drop in blood urea nitrogen, and a significant slowdown in chronic kidney disease progression. Do not panic if your urine turns pink or reddish after drinking this. That is bacteria. It occurs in 10 to 15% of people and is completely harmless. Steep 2 tablespoons of dried hibiscus petals in 300 milliliters of hot water for 5 minutes. Blend half a medium raw beet until smooth. Combine the tea with the beet puree. Squeeze 1 full lemon, filter and drink every morning on an empty stomach. This is essential. No food for at least 30 minutes before or after. That is when your body converts the nitrates and anthocyanins most efficiently. Do not use antibacterial mouthwash before or after drinking this tonic. The bacteria on your tongue are what convert the beet nitrates into nitric oxide. Destroy those bacteria, and you lose up to 70% of the kidney benefit. Your body wants to heal. Your kidneys want to filter properly. They just need the right raw materials. These drinks deliver concentrated doses of the exact compounds your kidneys need to produce nitric oxide, reduce microscarring, and restore filtering power. Commit to the hibiscus beet lemon tonic every morning for 30 days. Just 30 days. Note how you feel today, your energy, your swelling, the color of your urine. Then do the same in 30 days. You will not believe the difference. The science is clear, the results are real, but you have to take the first step. Your kidneys will not repair themselves. Start tomorrow morning.